Petrainer PET916. I'll quickly go over what's in the box, key features, pairing the receiver to the transmitter, and how to operate your device.
So inside the box, you have this, starting with the remote transmitter, which is completely waterproof, and it's the upgraded version from our 998 DB1. You also have our collar receiver. Inside you'll hear something shaking. That's completely normal. It's a sensor to pick movement of the dog. Both these are completely waterproof and rechargeable. You also have a standard wall charger for charging, an antenna. This is an adjustable TPU collar strap. Difficult to get out. There it is. And then you have a USB cable just to assemble with the wall charger. And then test bulb for testing the static shock function, and 2 sets of contact points that go on the receiver for different furlings. Key features, like I said, they're both rechargeable and waterproof, the transmitter and the receiver. The transmitter actually has a black or a blue backlight LCD display for nighttime usage. There's 4 modes with this device. You have static shock, vibration, tone, and light. And also, both the transmitter and receiver have a power conserving system just to extend their battery life so you get more out of your device. Okay, before you begin the pairing process, just attach your antenna to the top of the transmitter. Now that you've done that, turn on the remote transmitter just by pressing the mode button, and then just select any channel. Usually just start with 1. To turn on the collar, or the receiver collar, just press the on and off button on the top to hear it go on. And then to start the pairing process, press and hold the on and off button for 5 seconds. You have a steady green light. You hear that beep and it'll begin to flash. Just hit the Y button on the transmitter and you'll get another beep signaling that they are now paired. So now that you've paired the transmitter and the receiver together, I'll quickly demonstrate each button and mode on the transmitter. So you have the mode button here. Basically, you have 4 modes. In order, they're light, tone, vibration, and static shock. I'll demonstrate the first light mode. So when you press the Y button on the transmitter, you're going to get a green light blinking on your receiver. So the next mode is tone. Same thing basically. When you press the Y button, you're going to get a noise emitted from the collar receiver, as you can hear that. So next mode is vibration. So same thing. When you press the Y button, you get a vibration stimulation to your dog. The last mode is static shock. So I'm going to use the test light, which comes inside the box, just to show you that it operates fine. I'll press the Y button here again. Now for the vibration and the static mode, you have the intensity dial here, which basically allows you to choose how much stimulation you're giving to the dog between 1 and 100. As you can see, I'm currently at 90. This only works for static shock and vibration. For tone and light, you can adjust the intensity. This is the 1-2 button, which basically, let's say if you had a second receiver for another dog, you would use this button to switch to that receiver. And it only controls up to 2 dogs. Yeah, and that's all the functions of the transmitter and receiver. I'm now going to show you the waterproof capabilities of the devices. Place them in the water. As you can see, the transmitter turns on and the vibration feature is still working while in the water. Now I'll take them out and show you that they are working, after they've been in the water. That's the vibration function, and now I'll show you the static shock function. As you can see, everything's still working fine after they've been both submerged in water.
Thanks for your purchase of your new dog training system, the Petrainer PET916. I'll quickly go over what's in the box, key features, pairing the receiver to the transmitter, and how to operate your device.
So inside the box, you have this, starting with the remote transmitter, which is completely waterproof, and it's the upgraded version from our 998